Mountain snow remains a big headline this morning. Yesterday, though, the weather story centered around very dry and windy conditions.
9 News reporter Courtney Yoon joins us live here near Bennett. So, Courtney, that area should see calmer winds today after some extremely strong winds yesterday.
Yes, that's right, Corey and Drew. Definitely calmer here today. Still a little windy, a little colder as well, but definitely better than it was yesterday. But don't let your guard down because, as Katie will tell us, winds are expected to pick up today. It won't be as extreme today here in Bennett like it was yesterday, but there's still the threat of fire danger, especially across the central and southern high plains. Yesterday, a couple of wildfires sparked across the state east of where I am now. Take a look at this video here. In Fort Morgan, a fire burned about 400 acres and forced some people to evacuate near Wiggins. Wind gusts in the area were up around 55 miles an hour. That fire is now 100% contained. And in Elbert County, the County Road 169 fire threatened some homes and burned about 5,000 to 10,000 acres. That number might increase once fire crews can map the area. Dylan Berry is a rancher in the area who was in Colorado Springs when he got the call about the fire.
Definitely. I mean, we raised our daughter here. We've had a lot of animals here, so it would have been devastating to lose this house.
There was also a small grass fire in Poudre Canyon yesterday. The Larimer County Sheriff's Office say it burned a very small area, and because of high winds and extremely dry conditions, it did have the potential to spread very quickly. Officials there say that the fire was quickly reported and knocked down. Live in Bennett, Courtney Yoon, 9 News.
All right, thank you, Courtney.